A rare rainy day here in sunny Southern California. What are the Pyonis parrots doing on such a day? Oh, they're over there on the counter. That's one of the guiltiest looks I've seen. Why? Could it be they've decided to eat a Tupperware lid? What do you two think you're doing? Otto, are you gonna run away? You guys think you're gonna run away now, do you? You think you're gonna run? I'm gonna make you go fly. Fly! Yeah, and how about you, little rat? Come on, TJ, come on. You're gonna fly too. Yes, you are. I told you. And there they will remain, back to the cage. No more Tupperware for you two. Come on, guys. Give the camera a kiss. Yeah, whatever.